All right, guys, I'm going to show you real quick how to update and add the cardiogram to your my iWatch, but your Fossil watch. All right, just click this right here. You're going to find Play Store, and you're going to click on it. Right there, it'll start saying connecting. Yeah. See, I have to connect the Wi-Fi. Now what you can do right there, and once you get there, you can go to search. Now you can speak into it. I recommend you press that, and it'll ask you what you want to do. And it'll say speak cardiogram. And right there, I already installed it, okay? When you see it, you're going to click on it. And then it'll say, mine says open or uninstall, but yours gonna say install. Hit install and wait for it to download. Okay, guys? That's for Grandma and Sensei and Bill. God bless.